wanna see you dancing slow motion.
Every time I close my eyes. It's a girl Abbi.
And you will cap here.
Our day back with a new video.
Yes, people. So after I posted a video recently, I know so now I have a question for ask. So this time I say, yo, we are gonna look at Q&A, get to know better. Yeah. So before the video start, make sure to like, subscribe,
share, and
alright, and share the video. Yeah. So
remember to turn on the post notification bell.
Alright, that one. Alright, guys. So let's go right into it. Cause we don't have no questions for ask, you know. We have some for ask her right now, and she has some for ask me. So no further talking, but jump into it right now. Alright, Abbi. So the first question is, where is your dream vacation?
Paradise Island.
Alright. I feel like I can go this one too. I like Paradise Island.
Why your dream?
I also like Boro.
Where is that?
You know, I'm not sure where they still, but I find it. The time come, I find it still. I'm not sure where they. I'm not gonna lie, but I see enough picture of it and the place look shot. So I love to go this, I'm not like.
Alright. Where your favorite position?
Bomba, it doesn't jump in. I tell you, it doesn't jump right in it. No, man, like her. Alright, so now hide and seek. Favorite position? I have to give you a back shot.
My favorite position, my idea.
Like ready?
Okay.
Most girls like answer a question then. Why not backers? No understand.
Backers too hot weather. It's hot.
So you enjoy it, you don't understand?
Yeah, I enjoy it, but it's hot.
Alright, fair enough. Next question right now from a new empress. No joke. We like most about me. Be honest. Honest to God, we like most about me.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
You're cute.
Alright.
You're attractive.
Oh.
You're funny. Your vibes buck.
Yeah.
I'm just like your personality.
Okay.
Alright. Next question. See the one that come with a look juicy question, I ask you back one right now. Alright. So my ex-girlfriend, I never like see them thing or hear about them thing. But I don't know about your ex man, I don't want to hear about him, but you did one of vibrator before, or you plan to have one?
No, I have addicted to so.
That more here, cause people, I don't want to hear about that. I don't like them thing because what you do with vibrators as a woman, I know. So
and that means I have that.
big strong man yourself for deal anyway you want to get deal with. You get me I say?
What's a vibrator?
Yeah, no vibrator in a relationship. Yeah, outdoor, outside with that, straight up man. Yeah, next question now, babes. Do you see a future with me? Your new man?
Yeah, of course. My future with you, I have 5 kids.
Yeah.
Married.
Yeah.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
Alright.
That more here cause you know. More have enough children same way, you know. So 5 penny, that sound good to me. Can work it up though. Oh. Alright. I don't want to ask you this, but I ask you. Just forget that more get cause people have comment and talk their things, you know. More clear the table right now. More know what you think, what you feel. So who you find more attractive? Me or your ex-man?
Me do you have a ex?
Oh, true.
No,
She never have no ex-man, hear that? No come talk to her about an ex that's gone. No ex-man that exists no more. You understand? I'm glad you answer it. I'm glad you clear it up so nobody can come comment. But where, but whatever. No compare nobody can work and me alone.
Okay.
Damn.
Oh, sweet. Same way so. Alright now. Next question. More either answer here now. Because most girls, even one time in their life, they ever find another woman attractive, you know. So, more ask you that. You ever attracted to another woman before?
No.
Never?
Who too sweet?
Oh!
In the way there no. But take it na yaso.
Straight up?
Straight up.
Alright, that's not so bad. Alright, next question now. Maybe I want to ask it, you know, I ask it because I don't know, it's kind of interesting to know where you stand, but I ask it same way. So, you ever make a sex tape yet?
Like video myself.
Yeah.
With that crosses about it. Yeah, but I delete it on my day. So.
Oh good.
Nah,
so you can't try expose anything and your phone with it.
My phone with
Oh, that's smart man. I'm some boy man. Running with that man. Next question. What is your favorite place for your body to be touched? And can I touch it?
I like when man rub me down from my neck and so and something from my ass. That's all.
You can do that right now.
Of course, why not?
Just wanna see you dancing slow motion.
answer. And you back with your answer. That good?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, so which other question you want to ask me?
Alright. You ever think for the with no other woman from me start off?
No man, right now, I tell you the truth. Me the kind of one burner man from like I stop do the bag of woman thing. So you see for me at I mean at
Alright.
you see me until if it not work out it's different. Like my ex-girlfriend never that work out. So that's why, but from now on I just you me happy. I'm not happy with another woman. Where that woman I go?
God, I'm gonna go.
You understand? Yeah, straight up. Yeah.
Alright, AC gang, at the end of the video, this!
Yes, man, hope you enjoy it. If you have any other question, link up on IG. You can know what you want.
Want to like,
Subscribe,
share,
comment down below.
and remember to turn on the post notification bell.
Yeah.
We're out